নমস্কাৰ সকলোকে চাকৰি সম্বন্ধীয় আনটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট খবৰ আপোনাক দিব লৈছোঁ এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ দ্বাৰা আৰু চাকৰিটো হৈছে অফিচ অফ দ্য ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এণ্ড ছেছন জাজ গোলাঘাটত আৰু পষ্ট হৈছে ড্ৰাইভাৰ পষ্ট এটা ভেকেঞ্চি ওলাইছে ভেকেণ্ট পষ্ট এটা আনৰিজাৰ্ভ কেটেগৰী ইয়াত দেখিছে এলিজিবিলিটি ক্ৰাইটেৰিয়া দিছে চাই লওক দ্য মিনিমাম এডুকেশ্যন কোৱালিফিকেশ্যন ফৰ দ্য পষ্ট ইজ 8 পাছ দ্য কেণ্ডিডেট মাষ্ট প্ৰচেছ এ ভেলিড ড্ৰাইভিং লাইচেন্স LMB. The candidate should have the knowledge of official language of the state of Assam, Assamese, ADC. The candidate must process employment exchange registration number for the state of Assam. Age of Khetadise, the candidate should not be less than 18 years and not more than 40 years of age as on 1st January 2025. Age relaxation shall be as per gov norms for reserve categories দিছে যে আপোনালোকে যিসকল দিছে ইয়াৰ কিন্তু ইয়াত পোষ্ট হৈছে আনৰিজাৰ্ভ দিছে আৰু সিলেকশ্যন প্ৰচেছ দিছে ফাৰ্ষ্ট আপোনালোকৰ ড্ৰাইভিং টেষ্ট হ'ব 50 মাৰ্কছ আৰু ষ্টেজ 2 হ'ব ইণ্টাৰভিউ এণ্ড ভাইভা ভইচ 50 মাৰ্কছ দিছে হাউ টু এপ্লাই দিছে কেনেধৰণে এপ্লাই কৰিব আপোনালোকে অফলাইন মোড এপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব দিছে দ্য কেণ্ডিডেট শ্বেল হেভ টু ছাবমিট চেল্ফ এটেচ ডকুমেণ্ট ফটোকপি অফ all education qualification, age proof, caste certificate, valid driving license, employment exchange, registration certificate, and other necessary testimonials along with 3 copies of recent passport size photograph along with the application form. Standard form. The candidate must indicate prominently the name of the post applied for on the right hand corner of the envelope containing the applications. The candidate must provide their contact number in the application form. The candidate serving in the gov department must apply to proportional as যিসকল যদি কোনোবা গভ এমপ্লয়ে এপ্লাই কৰে তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে NOC লৈ পিনে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰিব complete application along with all testimonial as mentioned above should be addressed to the district and session judge Golaghat, PO Golaghat, PIN 785621 Assam. The application sent through post superscript as application for the post of driver fixed pay should reach the office of the undersigned on or before 31st March 2025 within office hours. The last date is 31 তাৰিখৰ আগতে আপোনালোকে সাবমিট কৰিব লাগিব দিছে Candidate may also drop their application in the drop box for the post of driver to be kept at the premises or office of the district and session judge Golaghat on or before 31st March 2025. And next is the terms and conditions. This is silo. The admission of candidate at all stages of the selection process will be purely provisional at any time before or after the selection process if it is found that the candidate does not fulfill any of the eligibility condition. Her candidature shall stand cancelled without any prior notice. The selection committee shall not be responsible for any postal delay in delivering the application, and those application will be summarily rejected without any notice. Calling of the candidate to participate in the selection process or issuance of admit card, call letter, etc. does not necessarily mean acceptance of the candidature of any candidate who shall be further scrutinized at every stage, and the selection appointing authority reserve the right to reject the candidature of any candidate at any time. The list of the eligible candidates and list of rejected candidates will be uploaded in the official website of the Golaghat District Judiciary, golaghatjudiciary.gov.in or golaghatdcourt.gov.in. The date and time, venue of driving test, interview, viva voice for the eligible candidate will be published on the official website of the Golaghat District Judiciary. Website no individual call letter will be issued to the eligible candidate. Next, Valid employment exchange registration number is mandatory for those who are not in service. The candidate shall have to mention the employment exchange registration number and date of the application form. False information in the application form shall render the candidate liable for prosecution under relevant laws. The appointment and the condition of the service of the selected candidate shall be governed by the relevant service rules. Canvassing by the any means will be immediately lead to rejection of the candidature. No TADA, etc. shall be paid to the candidate. All other matter which are not specifically mentioned in this advertisement shall be as decided by the selecting appointing authority. Selected candidate are to submit a declaration regarding the following the candidate and his her family member are neither beneficiary of the Orunodaya scheme or have voluntarily open out opted out as on the date of the appointment engagement দেখিছে গতিকে আপুনি যদি যোগ্যতা আছে আপুনি যদি ইচ্ছা কৰিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে অতি সোনকালে এপ্লাই কৰক দেৰি নকৰিব আৰু ভিডিঅ' যদি ভাল লাগিছে এটা লাইক এটা ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু যদি পেজটোত ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম ভিজিট কৰিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে এটা ফ'ল' কৰিব নাপাহৰিব আৰু এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব যে কম পষ্ট হ'লে বহুত মানুহে নিদিয়ে গতিকে এটা পষ্টৰ কাৰণে বহুত মানুহ নহ'ব পাৰে গতিকে আপুনিও চেষ্টা কৰাটো ভাল থেংক ইউ